Prime Minister is today, along with 7,000 participants. The Prime Minister will perform yoga, will do yoga. He's spoken about this through various channels, continuously emphasizing on the importance of yoga in our daily lives. Like I said at the very outset, not just for the body, but also for your mind, for mindfulness, and for inner peace. Our top focus continues to be the Yoga Day celebrations. We'll be getting you details from across the country as to how everyone is in fact commemorating this very important day that serves as an important reminder for the rest of the world of how this really is a gift of India to the world. These are pictures in fact of Yoga Day celebrations from previous years. Srinagar is all set to host the 10th International Yoga Day celebrations today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be delivering a much anticipated address commemorating International Yoga Day at about 6:40 a.m. today. In 40 minutes from now, the Prime Minister's speech is likely to underscore the global significance of yoga. Not just that, how the world really has embraced it. After this, he will be joining a group of yoga session where approximately 7,000 people will join the Prime Minister just next to the Dal Lake. This year, the theme is Yoga for Self and Society, and it aims to promote good health and wellness. A Yoga Day fever has also gripped the USA. A large number of people participated in yoga sessions organized by the Indian Consulate in Washington, D.C. and in New York. Since 2015, the Prime Minister has led the International Yoga Day celebrations at various iconic locations, including Kartavya Path in Delhi, in Chandigarh, in Dehradun, in Ranchi, Lucknow, Mysuru, even the United Nations headquarters in New York.
जब पूरी दुनिया आज एक संकट की घड़ी से गुजर रही है, योग मानव जाति के लिए एक वरदान साबित हुआ है। दुनिया के लिए भारत का अनमोल देन साबित हुआ है। हमारे देश में आबाल वृद्ध पर्यंत सभी लोग योग करना आवश्यक है। योग करने से हम न केवल अपनी सकारात्मकता को बढ़ाते हैं, मगर हम चारों ओर एक ऐसा सकारात्मक वातावरण निर्माण करने में सफल हो जाएंगे। आज ये बहुत आवश्यक है। जब लोग पीड़ा से, दर्द से, दुख से गुजर रहे होते हैं, उनके भीतर आत्मविश्वास, हिम्मत जगाना आवश्यक है। योग से ये अवश्य संभव हुआ है।
All right, you heard there from Sri Ravi Shankar on the importance of yoga, and this morning I'm going to be joined by my colleague Sumi Rajapan. Sumi joining us from Raipur at this hour. Sumi, a very good morning to you. Give us a sense of where exactly are you, and talk to us a little about how people are commemorating this day.
A very good morning to you too, Sneha, and a very happy International Yoga Day to all of viewers watching this bulletin early in the morning. I'm here at Science College where Vishnu Dev Sai, the first time tribal CM of Chhattisgarh, will be holding and commemorating this day. And in fact, the preparations are up here. Between 7 to 8 p.m. is what the scheduled session of yoga will be held. And in fact, it will be also joined by the State Cabinet Minister Lakshmi Rajwade. As you can see, all the preparations are being done at this very point here at Science College, and it is a huge ground where thousands of people are scheduled to be joining. In fact, a few hundreds of them have already joined, and you can see all of them are wearing the white Yoga International Day t-shirts. And in fact, we're going to go across to a few of them and we're going to ask them what yoga means for them. Sir, yoga आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है? योगा वर्ड से आपके लिए क्या है? हेल्थ?
योगा मतलब हेल्थ, और योगा करेंगे तो स्वस्थ रहेंगे। सबको योगा करना चाहिए।
सबको योगा करना चाहिए। इंटरनेशनल योगा डे पे और क्या कहना चाहेंगे लोगों को जो बुलेटिन देख रहे थे सुबह? 10वां आज एनिवर्सरी है इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, आज 10th एंड बहुत एक बड़ा दिन भारत ने पूरे इंटरनेशनल ग्लोबल स्टेज पे दिया है। क्या कहना चाहिए?
सबको करना चाहिए, बूढ़े बच्चे। ये
सिर्फ योगा डे पे नहीं, लेकिन साल भर करना चाहिए।
राइट।
Absolutely. There's this gentleman also smiling and has a very peaceful, aura about him. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? योगा आपके लिए क्या किस वर्ड ये योगा से क्या आप कनेक्ट करते हैं?
योगा हमारा शरीर मन को एकदम स्ट्रांग करता है और हमारे सब एक यूनिटी तैयारी करता है और ये भारत का हमारा एक धरोहर है, हमारा संपद है ये और ये सारा विश्व में एक होता है यूनिटी बनाता है ये योगा। आज हर दिन सुबह सुबह हम लोग आता है, हमारा बहुत उत्पल उत्साह उमंग से हम लोग योगा करते हैं, आनंद से करते हैं। आज पूरा दिन हम लोग का अच्छा जाता है।
इसलिए योगा सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल योगा डे पे नहीं सारा साल करना चाहिए।
हाँ, सारा साल पूरा साल भर पर हर दिन करना चाहिए।
Absolutely. It should be done all day of the year and not just to be restricted to International Yoga Day. It is certainly historic how this entire day is being celebrated. And as we know, it is the 10th Yoga International Day. And in fact, Chhattisgarh is also taking part in it with this huge ground and huge preparation that is being done early in the morning. Here, women have also joined the fleet of the yoga session. And we are also going to run to a few women. मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे इतनी सुबह सुबह आज आप लोग योगा इंटरनेशनल डे मनाने यहाँ पर आए हैं, जनता को क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो ये आज देख रहे हैं बुलेटिन?
मुझे तो यही है कि सभी मतलब मनुष्यों को ये मतलब योग का लाभ लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये योग तो है अपने मन के लिए भी अच्छा है और तन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। तो मैं चाहूंगी सभी इसका लाभ लेना चाहिए।
Absolutely. इस योगा का सभी को लाभ लेना चाहिए. That's what she's saying. And in fact, now everyone has stood up for the chanting of Om. And yoga is all about the unity of heart, health and mind. And in fact, it is a day of oneness. And that is what the message which is being echoed by every individual out here who has come here in huge numbers to commemorate this special day.
Well, absolutely. These are pictures, in fact, coming in from Raipur, where Sumi is right now. Sumi, also a lot has been said about how India really has been at the forefront of popularizing yoga, bringing yoga to the world to begin with, and then popularizing yoga through the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the importance of this effort really can't be stressed enough. Today, we're talking about International Yoga Day because on the insistence of India, on the request of India, the United Nations 10 years ago decided to commemorate Yoga Day, International Yoga Day, on the 21st day of June every single year. And since then, world over, this is being celebrated, isn't it?
Yoga Day, and which is why, and it is certainly India's, it is India's contribution to the entire international audience, and which is why it is very important for every state to commemorate it with complete dedication. And that's what Chhattisgarh is all about today, as we are witnessing people from all walks of life have come here, women, children, old people alike. And in fact, it is a day of oneness for them. It is a day of unity, and it is also a day of pride for all the Indians, as it is an International Yoga Day, and we're celebrating the 10th year of it. We're also going to go and try to talk to a few people. However, right now the chanting of Om is going on, which is why a lot of people have already gone into the state of oneness. But क्या कहना चाहेंगे? अभी chanting हो रही है, अभी ये पूरी chanting हो रही है उनकी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ऑडियंस को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि योगा कितनी जरूरी है लाइफ?
योगा हमारे लाइफ के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये हमारे शरीर को स्वस्थ और शांत रखता है।
बहुत जरूरी है इसलिए योगा। प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी को क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि ये इंटरनेशनल योगा डे कहीं ना कहीं उनको बहुत बड़ा इसका क्रेडिट जाता है?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि योगा हर बार हमेशा करते रहें,
हमेशा ऐसे ही करते रहे। डेफिनेटली प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैज सर्टेनली a lot to do with this International Yoga Day. In fact, he was the one who took the initiative, and as you correctly pointed out, United Nations took the proposal of India and announced this day as International Yoga Day. And this is what 21st June is now. Entirely, it has a new meaning altogether. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इंटरनेशनल योगा डे?
जी, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज के आधुनिक जीवन में जो है विज्ञान के साथ साथ अध्यात्म बहुत ज़रूरी है, और योग हमको दोनों में बैलेंस करना सिखाता है। जैसे कि हम साइंस में अभी बहुत सा स्ट्रेस है, बहुत सारे तनाव होते हैं, तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी उसमें जो है रिलीफ देती है। और ये दोनों जिन्होंने ये दोनों में बैलेंस कर लिया, उनका हेल्थ बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, चाहे मेंटल हेल्थ हो या फिजिकल हेल्थ हो।
तो आपको लगता है ये दिन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी था सबके लिए?
हाँ, आज का दिन बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है और इसको हर व्यक्ति को अपने जीवन में कंटिन्यूसली इसको करना चाहिए, अपनी दिनचर्या में शामिल करना चाहिए योग। और हम लोग प्रजापिता ब्रह्म कुमारी ईश्वरीय विश्वविद्यालय से हैं और हम लोग नियमित योग का अभ्यास करते हैं, तो सभी को इसमें जो है अपने जीवन में शामिल करना चाहिए।
सभी को अपने इस जीवन में शामिल करना चाहिए योग को। क्या कहना चाहेंगे, ये इंडिया का धरोहर है, कहीं देखेंगे तो फिर इंडिया ने ही इंटरनेशनल योगा डे को जन्म दिया है और हमारे वेद में लिखा हुआ है योगा के बारे में, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपको एक प्राइड, फीलिंग ऑफ प्राइड होती है, गर्व महसूस होता है?
बिल्कुल, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है कि हम जो चीज हमारे संस्कार में है, जो हमारे मूल है, वो आज पूरा विश्व समझ रहा है। हम अभी तक ये समझते हैं कि हम बाहर से या विदेश से दूसरे लोगों से हम सीखते आते हैं, बट ये ऐसा चीज है कि हम लोगों को, विश्व को समझा रहे हैं, सिखा रहे हैं।
Absolutely, very well said, sir. This is what something that we have given to the entire world, and it is a feeling of pride that we are celebrating International Yoga Day and the 10th year of it. And certainly, people are joyous here, but they are also very peaceful and very up for the session that is going to be taking place between 7 to 8 when Vishnu Desai, the Chhattisgarh CM, along with Lakshmi Rajwari, the cabinet minister, will be coming here along with other dignitaries to practice yoga and set an example for the entire country as to what International Yoga Day stands for and how it should be done every day of the year, not just on International Yoga Day.
That's right. Beautiful pictures coming in from Raipur, where Sumi is right now, where everybody was just chanting Om. Remember, chanting Om just increases the vibrations, thereby energizing the body and increasing the energy levels. And that, in fact, that is the kind of energy that everybody, in fact, that the people there, the vibe would be that of energy, where Sumi is, in fact, right now. I'll just, in fact, go back to Sumi in a moment from now.